that's it.
This one?
Yep, that's it.
Click.
Click.
It's lava.
Don't step in lava. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Wait for me, you're a crazy driver.
Who's a crazy driver? Bella's a crazy driver.
No, you.
You are a crazy driver, Bella. We're gonna go get lunch.
Yeah, we're going new place.
We're gonna go get lunch at somewhere new. Where are we right now?
Why?
Yeah! That's right.
No teeth.
We passed a guy with no teeth. The guy walking past us had no teeth. Why did he have no teeth, Bella?
Because he have dirty teeth.
He didn't brush his teeth. And what happened when he didn't brush his teeth?
Slow down his teeth.
Sugar bugs ate them.
Yeah.
And his teeth fell out of his mouth. Where's the rainbow train?
Oh, there.
Do you see it? Can you see the rainbow train, Bella?
Look.
Oh, we're almost there.
Yeah.
What do we do?
We find it.
We found it. Should we ride on the rainbow train?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so exciting.
Oh, I'm so excited. We found it, Bella. I think you pushed it enough times. This way? Oh. Wow. I've never entered this way before. Have you?
Yeah.
That's the city bus.
Yes, city bus.
There you go. You know how to scan it, here? Right there. Hit it. There you go. You don't want to hang on to it anymore? Okay. Where are we, Bella?
Okay.
We're on the rainbow train. Banana trees down there, you see it all? Pineapple trees over there? Apatu. Tell me.
Apatu.
Apata apatu.
Apatu.
Apata apatu. Should we let it hang out right there?
Everybody.
Almost there, right?
She's everybody.
Your attention, please.
I did.
I see Bella. You're good at recording, Bella.
Oh. Train the bus go choo choo choo.
Okay.
And the bus go beep beep beep.
Oh.
Bye bye, rainbow train.
We're gonna take the rainbow train home later. See you in a little bit. See you after lunch, rainbow train. Bella, are you standing on the bicycle? He's playing golf?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure he'd rather be playing golf right now than working a job. What do you think? Can we eat here?
Or
of course, we need to find a good place to lock our bicycle. The tree hit me too.
Daddy, we can't 5 feet.
You got it all figured out?
Okay, let's go.
Alright. Look at it. Shaka, shaka, shaka. There you go. Almost there. There it is. What is it? You have a cheeseburger and french fries. What else could you possibly want? Lemonade? You have everything, right? Is it good?
And I want chips.
You want to taste my tacos? Colorful chips look good. What are you doing, Bella? Can you see the fish in the water over there?
It's the top.
Yeah? What language is that, Bella? This is it. This is it. We just missed the train. We have to wait for the next one.
Kualakaʻi, East Kapolei Station. Doors will open on July 2nd.
There we go. Bye-bye, Rainbow Train. Yeah? Bad mosquito bit, Bella. Aren't there yet. I'm gonna swipe it here for you, okay?
I want to try.
Oh, I already got it. You better grab it next time, huh? Aren't there yet. You having fun on the bike ride, Bella?
Try.
You gonna hold it? You got it?
Cheese, everybody!
Cheese, everybody!
Cheese, everybody! Cheese! Look at me! Look at the camera! Good job.
Good job. Good job, Bella.
Hello.
Hi, Bella. How are you? Ready to go back on the Rainbow Train?
Yeah.
Okay, talk to you soon.
Okay.
Bye.